line, and 3, 2, 1, power up.
Quarterfinal 2 match number 2 underway here in the DTE Energy Field. Alliance 4 versus Alliance 5 and Autonomous. 35-47 gets their cube on the switch right away, as does 55-31. The Robo-Cubs in 8:35 taking turns, putting cubes up on that scale. If you want to win the big ones, that's how you got to do it. You got to be able to cooperate with your alliance. You need a strategy that will play to your robots and your partner's advantages. That gives you the best chance of winning. First power-up is an extremely strategy-based game, and you have to be very cognitive of not only what you're doing and what your partners are doing, but of what your opponent is doing as well. For those of you watching at home and have just tuned in, or anyone here that is just tuning in, what is happening is that the points are accumulated in this game by owning the scale. You own the scale when it is tipped in the direction that you are placing cubes on it. For instance, right now the Red Alliance has possession of the scale, and the longer that they have possession of the scale, the more points that they will accumulate, as you can see by looking on the scoreboard. So not only is there the scale, there are 2 switches, the smaller ones located on each side of the field. The Blue Alliance's switch can only be owned by the Blue Alliance, and that means that they can only get points if it's tilted in their favor. If the Red Alliance comes over to the blue switch and takes possession of it, it does not grant the Red Alliance any points. However, it just makes the Blue Alliance not get points. And just the same as vice versa. And now we're in the last 30 seconds, and we can go to the middle of the field and see if these robots are going to hang. 17-1 goes up. They do it. They've been doing it all competition. Virus trying to get that last cube up there, and they miss it. And we have just a few seconds left. All right, our scores are up. It is going to go to the Red Alliance.